Imagine a world where you can connect your favorite online tools without writing a single line of code. That's the power we're unlocking today as we dive into building an app like Zapier. First, let's dissect the core architecture at its heart. A no-code automation platform needs a robust, event-driven engine. Think of it as the central nervous system when an event happens in one connected app, like a new email arriving in Gmail. This engine detects it. Then comes the crucial element: app integrations to replicate Zapier's magic. You need to build connectors, or APIs, for a wide variety of popular applications. These connectors act as translators, allowing your platform to understand and interact with these external services. The user interface is paramount for a no-code experience. It needs to be intuitive, allowing users to visually construct their automation workflows. This typically involves selecting a trigger, which is the event that starts the automation, and one or more actions, which are the tasks the automation will perform in response. Data transformation is another key functionality. Often, information from a trigger app needs to be reformatted or enriched before it can be used in an action. Your platform will need features to handle this, allowing users to map fields, add text, or perform simple calculations. The goal is to empower citizen developers, individuals who might not have traditional coding backgrounds but understand their business needs. This means abstracting away all the technical complexity, providing clear visual cues, and offering helpful guidance throughout the workflow creation process. Finally, robust testing, monitoring, and error handling are essential. Users need to trust that their automations will run reliably. This includes features to test workflows before activating them, monitor their performance, and receive alerts if something goes wrong, ensuring seamless operation.